First crawl of 26.
What you got there, Mike? What's your new rig?
Element IFS.
Anything done to it?
It's got Spectrum brushless, shifts direct power servo, and a servo winch. Other than that, it's basically stock. I do have the optional 20% overdrive in the front, though.
Okay. And then, you know, you already know the Gladiator. Fucking 1,200 miles good. She's brushed today. I'll check that out. She ain't been brushed. Fucking ever? This thing ever brushed?
When you first got it, it was brushed for like maybe a week.
What?
And then you went ahead and got the copperhead set up.
No, it was a Fusion at first.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, because I just got the copperhead set up like 2 years ago. Oh, not that good.
Cut mine. The only thing I wish I could figure out on this truck is how to stretch that IFS out forward. But can you see that?
Yeah. Do what?
I got an actual toe hook in the back. Not toe hook, actual.
Yeah, that's right.
It's just a receiver hook.
Trying to get even with me. All them damn years of your poor LC70 eating the back of the tank.
Yeah, that's why I didn't.
I might play with the edge of it over there. Oh, it's smelling good now, Mike.
Uh-huh.
I wonder how waterproof this MST is. I mean, it is a drift car after all.
It's probably not waterproof in the slightest.
Fact of no engine brake and double tap fucking reverse. Or double tap the brake for reverse.
I was about to say, but knowing you, you're going to find out real quick if it is waterproof.
That wasn't bad. You're going to tumble it. Not too bad.
Just some typical Toyota things. Huh. I'm driving the fire rig.
Of course you're gonna fuck follow my line, huh? You'll rubber hate up all the pine needles. Gotta clear this shit out.
Really?
Yeah, a little bit.
What makes you say that?
All this fucking snow coming down right now?
Nah, snow? Snow's cold?
Nah, a little warm, honestly.
You know, science says cold doesn't exist.
Yeah. Bro, okay, Ryan.
Because it can neither be observed nor measured.
Okay, Ryan.
I don't know. Just fucking Google that.
sound like Ryan's ass.
Oh, no, dude. I had one of my buddies tell me that shit, and I was like, bruh, just because we don't have the ways to observe and measure it currently doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. He kept arguing that shit. And from there, I was like, you know what? I'm going to tell anybody that shit. Just because it irritated the shit out of me the first time I heard it.
Well, our first run back, Mike, do we have to do is sit there in the snow?
I don't know, which is the hardest on a vehicle.
It's some bullshit, I know. Which is some bullshit, too, because we were supposed to have been doing this yesterday.
I know. But Eric somehow lost the keys again. You notice my front tire's collecting no mud?
Yeah.
Because they're overdriven.
I think I don't want to put my damn 3S in unless I actually have to. Because I want to keep that nice and clean from the drift car.
Right.
But then again, the 3S is a bit not for the drift car. But I don't know if this thing can take 3S. Stock brush system.
Yeah.
Remember, dude, this spot right here used to be such nice.
Whoa, yeah. It's now deeper. Well,
Yeah, after
wider
all the
and
damn
deeper.
years that we've been coming down through here with the fucking
Cool
trucks, the real trucks. We took a picture right here,
Oh,
dude,
dude,
like
I
4
remember
years
this
ago.
was,
Yeah,
this was the fucking spot
we
where
were
we spent
dropping
30
in right
minutes
here.
Yeah.
Whenever I had just got the damn Gladiator.
Yeah.
Because we ain't trailed this shit in a while.
Yeah. I think it's been since you got the Gladiator and I got that LC.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that was my 10-3's maiden voyage was out here.
And I'm pausing this for a few minutes until we get to something. Because for one...
Right down here today with a bait.
Yeah.
I need to go through and get my softer springs out.
Come straight through right here.
I mean, our trucks are only tuned to run in 90-degree weather.
Yeah. I ain't doing those. Oh, yeah, the shocks.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Hold on, I fell off over here. Oh, come on. I got drift car I got no reverse power.
Something like fucking 50% reverse speed or power or whatever.
Not even. The ground is so hard, dude. This blade don't even matter.
Pure facto if I run through the middle.
Through the middle?
Yeah.
The middle almost swallows the 31.
Oh. I like that I'm not this overly wide truck anymore.
Mm-hmm. Come on, Reef. Get me through.
Nah, dog, the mud's that sticky.
Bro, brushed socks. Oh my God, I haven't been brushed in so long. This is. Huh?
Bro, somebody threw a tire and left that bitch.
Holy.
Okay, I may not be following you.
What is sizzling?
Is
that motor that hot on 3S?
Yes. There's steam coming off the fucking motor, dog.
Brushed, I don't give a fuck.
You gotta think, your transmission actually in a similar state to mine where bearings are starting to give up.
Well, you just rebuilt my trans, didn't you?
No, it was active.
Oh, yeah, it was just active, wasn't it? You're going to have to hit that at more of an angle. Turn left. Turn hard. That's right. There you go. Now right. There you go. Now left. You're going to have to get in there and then do the crawl. There you go. The winch is on.
I just broke it.
You just broke what? The winch?
Yeah.
How?
Because I pulled it in and that's that 35 kg in there that don't give a fuck.
Just back up and go cross up back there. You're not getting up that. That thing has got way too much body roll right now. There you go, fucking floater. Floater. It was going so good. Look at it all. It's floating.
You know, all the shit people give IFS.
Is she done? I'm gonna go down in right here.
Now I'm gonna have to strip this car completely down. Cause it's got all factory bearing and shit in it. Not a damn one of them.
Shit sealed. Yeah, I heard it. Oh, dude, it's smoking.
It's steaming. No, I'm not here.
As long as it don't actually catch on fire, I'm good. I think it's from all this low speed shit I'm doing with it. Oh no, it's good and smoking. Look, every damn time I stop, it's fucking.
I see that. Your motor is about to be no more.
As long as it don't catch on fire, I'm alright. Yeah, I think we need to turn it on around because look at how much it's snowing in the woods, dude.
Oh, yeah, I mean just snowing.
We're in the trails in a car, buddy. We're out here in the car, but hey, on the fucking plus side, look at that. My Subaru pulled my fucking truck out of that, and look, Mike, do you see any goddamn spin marks out here? No, she didn't spin a lick. No, that right there is from the fucking truck being drug out of there.
Yeah, I was gonna
the
say.
whole rut coming out of there, right there. That's just from where it was fucking dragging that damn thing.
Oh, no way we stopped at the fucking graveyard.
Yeah, we stopped at the graveyard. Oh, that's nasty mud right there.
Never mind. If you with the Mickeys just did that, I ain't going nowhere.
Oh, that motor's cooked. That motor's cooked. Let's get up out of here before this thing burns itself the fuck down.
Is this all you got?
Yeah. I need to keep a little bit of RPM in this thing for a minute. Get it good and dry. I say that as I go splash down into another mud hole. Maybe the brushes just need to be cleaned, right?
Right.
That's definitely clean water.
That's including what you were in.
Yep.
Oh my God, it's sticking to the ground out here.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, we definitely need to head back.
Yep. Oh, look, though. We're getting a nice little snow track. Mob deep. Bloop. Bloop. Alright, I'm gonna let my motor cool off. Damn, turtle.
That's what I mean. My suspension's not doing dick.
Turtle. Somebody wants to buy my drift car. Whee! I need push. There we go. Or just your fucking wave. That'll work too. Yeah, I don't think I was actually stuck. I think my motor was just too hot to keep going, Mike. Yeah, because look, we let her cool off there and she's got a little burst of juice. That or that cold ass water could have killed that 2200 soft pack. But I don't see that happening that quick. We literally just put it in, and this is a brand new battery.
Well, hell, I'm running a 1200 on the steering.
Damn, I didn't know it was gonna snow today. It called for it. Damn, you keep dropping that. See, what do you want for? You just need to sell it to me before you drop it and break it. So I can quit fucking being retarded looking like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look. She cools down for a second, dude. She's good to fucking rip. But
It's just that hot.
But we gotta take a break for a second and start this little fire. My hands are frozen. Later, y'all. I might, if I'm not too damn lazy, I might make another video and edit it into the end of this. Don't guarantee. Check the time, see how much is left.